Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing this pretty beautiful highlighted wig. Just get into it, honey, okay? Inches, period. And I'm 5'8", so this length was perfect. I'm just showing you that this is a 13 by 4 or by 6. 3 combs at the front, 1 at the bottom, and I'm just cutting out the back of the wig right here. And I'm just showing you guys that my brush is just gunked up, but I apply my edge control, put on a scarf so that the hair won't be getting in the way. And then I'm just showing you guys my lace tint spray here, and I'm just, going in far away and light sprays to get, the color match because I did not bleach it. But let's get into this packaging. This holographic, however you say it, packaging is A1, okay? Beautiful. I love good packaging and a good silk bag to store your hair in. So I did come with a wig cap, some lashes. They always throw on some cheap lashes and some tweezers. So I'm just showing you guys how the hairline looks. It is absolutely perfect on the sides because that's how a regular hairline is. It go in and it come out. So now I'm just cutting off my ear tabs and then we will lay down this wig. I cut slits in the wig, and today I'll be using my adhesive glue. This is the brand Sheep Bond, something like that. It was like $14.99 at my local beauty supply store. And you just want to make sure you spread it out evenly and don't put big globs up there like I always do. It just comes out the bottle like this because I am running low. But yeah, just make sure you smooth it out with the end of your comb, a popsicle stick, whatever you have, and clean your utensils with your alcohol washcloth. I have a washcloth with alcohol, but I forgot to do it on the middle part, but on the sides I will do it. So after spraying my hair really fast and putting a band on and letting it sit, I definitely had trouble with cutting the rest of the extra lace off. But, I got as close as I could. It's still a lot of lace left, but, I'm just going to lay my baby hairs. I always take a thin section out to do my baby hairs in the front. And I also use the method where you spray in between that line right there between the baby hair and the rest of the hair in the back, and it's just an extra milk. I cut the hair in the front while it was laying, and that's why it looks like this right now. But yeah, y'all gonna just watch me struggle as usual with my baby hair. It was kind of stiff because, like I said, that spray really does, it does its job. But I just use the mousse to loosen up the hairs, and then I go in with my edge. I think it's edge fixer that I used, and just shaped my baby hairs using the comb side of the edge brush and the brush side. So since this was a 13 across and 4 inches back, I decided to do like a little hairstyle just to switch things up. And I had sprayed my lace tint spray, so it was giving scalp anyways when I parted. But yeah, I'm just gonna do 2 buns in the front. I'm gonna spray my Got to Be Glued hairspray, and then I'm gonna top it off with my edge wax stick, and I'm just doubling my rubber bands, and then I'm gonna put in 2 buns at the top. Thank you. Okay, guys, my air conditioner's on. Excuse that, but I've taken pictures. Oh my god. I'm taking pictures with this hairstyle, so I'm going to try and just wear it down in another picture, just so I can get like, you know, multiple shots with different hairstyles. So I'm gonna put my band on just to make sure, you know, nothing comes up. I got the ponytails out. 1 second, okay, baby? Alright. Then I am just gonna take my hot comb and just get as close to the roots as I can. Then I have to put some more moisture back into these. The ponytails that I had, the hair is like a little dry because I didn't put no mousse on it. This is definitely giving Beyonce. Period. Okay. I'm gonna spray a little water. If y'all don't know about these misters on Amazon, you're missing out. I have to go get my nails done, but I do want to put in a braided style because I am going to Atlanta this weekend. I might vlog it, I don't know yet, but I've never done a vlog like out of town. I'm running out of mousse. I'm running out of mousse. But yeah, I'm going to Atlanta this weekend, y'all, and I might vlog it. I know I'm gonna get some bomb pictures. Okay, got to. But I told myself I want to travel more. Being a single mom, I really be in the house. So I'm trying to travel more and just enjoy life because life is short. Okay, I think I need to wet it some more. I don't know. Because that mousse, yeah, I do know that mousse was gone. I don't know if I put some like styling gel in this, it would just set it off. But this is good for now. What y'all think? Or should I do like a little flip over? You said what, baby? Put what on? Okay, yeah. All right, let me take some regular pictures and then I'll be right back. What are you doing? What are you doing? First it was my daughter and now it's my cat. Like, single mom life. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm gonna try to flip over. See how that looks. That still looks really, really pretty. I think no matter how you style this hair, it's gonna look bomb.com. I definitely love this length for my height. I'm 5'8". If y'all haven't seen my outfit, here it is. I don't know if I can show the heels or not, but here's how they look. To see the whole fit, just head on over to my IG. I definitely will be posting pictures because this hair is everything. You feel me? Like, this is the best unit I ever had. Like, lengthwise, color-wise, just everything. The packaging, everything was A1. A1, okay? And if I put some products on this, I know these curls will be like defined. I love this poofy look. Not even gonna cap. But yes, I have lots of hair to review, so just stay tuned. I will be trying the crisscross hairstyle probably tomorrow. So just stay tuned for that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely comment and tell me what you think of this unit. I love it. I absolutely love it. All right, y'all. Catch you on the next one. Peace.